Fine. I will look at the screenings and see. Yeah, there's only one ticket left. So I think I'm just going to. That ticket's mine! Lucas, I'm gonna have to call you back. This guy has a death wish. Engage Havoc! Let's dance. Claws? Gotcha. Alright, I've had enough. I'm going to kill you, then I'm gonna enjoy a nice movie. You took the words right out of my mouth. Let's go. Wait, what? Out of power? Oh, crap. I never liked this car. Oh, God, you have got to be kidding me. Well, now that that's over with, I think that I'm going to go enjoy my movie, no matter how crap it is.
闇を欺いて切な